Are you worried that your passwords aren't really safe? That anyone could get into your accounts and access your important data, or even access your bank accounts online? Are you tired of remembering all of your passwords and IDs from different sites? So they're either too simple that they can be guessed, or you write them down so anyone can see them? My iWallet is the answer. My iWallet is an enhanced logon system that uses your finger scan, voice, face, or BioSmart card so you are authenticated as you and not simply by something that somebody knows. Once verified, your logon information is automatically sent to the web page, so you never have to type anything. No chance of keylogger viruses capturing your passwords, no more writing down your passwords for prying eyes to see, no more fears of unauthorized access to your accounts by hackers or former employees. You control access to your accounts because no one else has your fingerprint, voice, or face. Biometric security with My iWallet is the best way to ensure all of your accounts are only accessed by you. All information within My iWallet is securely encrypted with Department of Defense approved AES 256-bit advanced encryption standard. It's simple. My iWallet memorizes your initial login and form for an account, and from that point on, access is only granted after you've authorized it with your fingerprint, voice, face, or BioSmart card. It's seamless, easy to use, and offers automatic form capture and a password generator. There's no limit to the number of accounts, and they can be categorized for easy access, only by you, of course. My iWallet does support multiple users, so it's perfect for the business environment too. You can store logon information for any website, including web email and shopping sites, passwords for instant messenger, and especially online banking accounts. Whether you use the business or home version, you will always have an administrator account to ensure your data's safety. Try it out today and start keeping your most private data safe.